Very spacious for the growing family. Welcome home to this fully finished bi-level that is 4 bedrooms located on a quiet street in Dally Grove. There's a custom floor plan, open living room with a big window. Upper floor has 3 good-sized bedrooms and an updated kitchen with quartz countertops and matching backsplash and gorgeous oak cabinets. Upgraded hardwood flooring throughout and a fully renovated bathroom. This home also has an attached double heated garage. 3 bedrooms on the main floor features brand new windows. And as you head downstairs, you'll notice that it has a huge additional 1 bedroom, a nice laundry room, and a gas fireplace on the family room at the lower level. Fully sized windows, a big bedroom on the lower floor with a huge walk-in closet. New furnace and hot water tank completes this level with a newer roof. Don't miss out on this huge backyard, steps from a school. Karen Stanko with Remax. Call me 780-297-3132.